Hello guys, I am from Gogras, Master. I am going to explain concept composition of functions related to chapter 1 relation and function of NCERT 12 mathematics. Now come out to the point here. Here I shall write composition of functions. I have already written, implied that let f be a function if such that a to b means f is a function from a to b and g is also a function from b to c. Let f such that a to b, f is to a to b, g is to b to c means f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c. And let x belong to a. Three conditions are there in composition of functions. Let f is to a to b and g is to b to c and let x belong to set a. So here we shall try to make ourselves understood with the help of diagram. This is set A. Set A consists of element x. Set B consists of element not known. Set A is related to set B with the help of f. Set C set A consists of element x. Set B there is no element. In set C there is no element. Then set A is related to set B by means of function f. Set B is related to set C by means of relation G. Then what will be the element of set B? The set B will be element consist of element f o x. f of x means x का image. The image of x will be f of x. f of x will be element of set B. Here I can write f of x element of set B and this f of x is the element of set B. Set B is related to set C by means of relation G. So this will be the set C will consist of element G of f of x. Set C will consist of element g of f of x. G. After that, in circle bracket f of x I shall write. So this is relation I have made here. So here I shall write x belong to set A, f of x belong to set B, and g of f of x belong to set C. Three conditions are there. Then set A will be related to set C by means of GOF. How GOF? Just remember GOF. If I write here GOF, here I take equal to G. Right here small g. In place of small o, just here write, in place of small o, here write opening of circle, half circle bracket, like this, or f of x will be written. You can see here g of f of x belong to set C. That's why GOF will be related to A to C. GOF is to A to C. GOF. This is the composition of function. You must remember by the diagram of help. X का image f of x. F of x will be the element of set B. G का image G of f of x, G of f of x will be element of set C. G का image will be G of f of x. G of f of x will be element of set C. Here I have represented G of f. Here write x. Here in place of O, just here write half, opening of half circle bracket, f of x will be written, belong to set C. G of f is to A to C. This one I have represented. Now what to do next? Next I shall, here I shall write for all x belong to set A. X belong to set A. Now we shall take a question related to composition of function. How the composition of function rule will be applied on this question. Just I shall write the question itself. Question number 3. Exercise 1.3 implied that Find G of F, find go and find find go, find go and for if one f of x equal to mod x and g of x equal to mod 5x minus 2. Second question I shall take. F of x equal to 8x cube and g of x equal to x raised to the power 1 over 3. This is the question I am going to put here. Let us see. First of all, here I shall write such. Imply that. Here, question number 3, exercise 1.3. Find GOF O and O if Roman 1 f of x equal to mod x and g of x equal to mod 5x minus 2 mod. Second one is f of x equal to 8x cube and g of x equal to x raised to the power 1 over 3. Now what to do next? Next I shall write find g of x. So here I shall write given that Roman 1 solution of Roman 1. Given that f of x equal to mod x, g of x equal to mod 5x minus 2. Given Roman 1, given that f of x equal to mod x and g of x equal to mod 5x minus 2 mod, we have to find out GOF. So first of all, I shall write here GOF equal to GOF. Here you can see in everywhere variable is x, 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 x. Everywhere the variable value is x. That's why GOF of x I shall write x comes out to be G. Here write G in place of small o. Just write opening of circle bracket. Opening of circle bracket. Inside write f of x. Write f of x like this. Equal to. Here write g. In place of f of x, here you can see f of x. In place of f of x, I shall write here f of x equal to mod x. In place of f of x, I shall write here mod x. So here write mod x mod equal to g mod x, g I have written, and here you can see in place of x, here I shall write here mod x. So here also it comes out to be, here x is available. So in place of this x, I shall write here mod x. Here you will get, here I shall write mod 5. In place of x, write here mod x minus 2 mod. This one will be written. And now GOF you have got mod 5 mod x minus 2 mod. Value of GOF you have got. Now find out the value of fog here, FOG. So here write FOG equal to FOG. Again, in both questions, everywhere the variable x is available. That's why f of g of x I shall write is equal to, just here write f. In place of small, just write here opening of circle bracket. Like this. Again I shall write if g of x, so in place of g of x, right here, like this. In place of g of x, I shall write g of x equal to this one. So here write 5x minus 2 f of g of x equal to f. In place of g of x, I shall write mod 5x minus 2 mod. And from this point I shall take. So here in place of x, we shall write mod 5x minus 2 mod. So here we will get mod, in place of x, we shall write mod 5x minus 2 mod. This thing will be written. They will get here equal to mod 5x minus 2 will be written. This will be the correct answer we have got. Here mod 5x minus 2 mod. If you remove mod, so here mod I have written the same thing you will get. This is correct. This will be the correct answer we have got. Also this one is also correct answer. Now I shall take second question here. Second one. Here I shall write given that f of x equal to 8x cube and g of x equal to x raised to the power 1 over 3. This thing is there. Now again we have to find out g of f. So here write g of f equal to g of f of x comes out to be g. In place of o, we shall write opening of circle bracket. Write here f of x equal to g. In place of f of x, we shall write 8x cube. So here write 8x cube equal to, just here you can see g of x equal to x raised to the power 1 over 3. Here g of, in place of x, 8x cube is there. So what we'll do here, in place of x, we shall write 8x cube. So here write 8x cube raised to the power 1 over 3 equal to open here curly bracket. Here you can see 8x cube whole raised to the power 1 over 3. This means that 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3 comes out to be 8, and x raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 1 over 3 equal to 2 raised to the power 3 comes out to be 8, x raised to the power 3 comes out to be x cube, whole raised to the power 1 over 3 we have got. So what we'll do here, braces will be broken, 1 over 3 will get entered inside, power will multiply together, 3 will multiply to 1 over 3. So here I shall write 2 raised to the power 3 into 1 over 3 dot x raised to the power 3 into 1 over 3 will get here 2x. That will be correct answer, because 3 will be cancelled out, 3 will be cancelled out, get here 2x. This will be the correct answer. Again, the value of g of x, we have got 2x. That will be the correct answer. Now I shall write f of g. F of g equal to f of g. The variable x is available at everywhere. So here just write x equal to f, in place of small o, I shall write opening of circle bracket. G of x. Again I shall write if, in place of g of x, I shall write x raised to the power 1 over 3 g of x. G of x equal to x raised to power 1 over 3. And from here I shall take f of x 8. So here I shall write 8. In place of x I shall write x raised to the power 1 over 3 का whole cube. We will get here. Here 1 over 3 will multiply to 3, comes out to be 1. So here we will get only 8x. That will be the correct answer. G of f, GOF, we have got 2x. F of g, 4, we have got 8x. That will be correct answer. The 4 answer we have got. In this way, this question has been explained on basis of theorem composition of functions like this. This concept you must remember. This is one of the concept, important concept. Just remember, which will help in the solution of this type of question, where GOF and FOG, f of g and g of f, related problems we have to come across. Okay guys, thanks.